Children, we have done two properties of circle. The first property says that radius is perpendicular to tangent through point of contact. And second one, we have done that the length of tangents from external point are equal, right? So keeping in mind just these two properties, we have to solve all the questions. I'm starting with the easier portion. Let's say we have a circle with center O, external point P. From this point P, two tangents are drawn. Let it be PA and PB, right? Such that, let's say this angle is 70 degree. We have to find angle AOB, right? How are we going to do this? आप मुझे एक बात बताइए.
मैम ये 9th क्लास में प्रॉपर्टी नहीं थी?
No.
मैम ये जो कोऑर्डिनेटर होते हैं उनके अपोजिट साइड का सम.
That is a cyclic quadrilateral, beta. This is not cyclic quadrilateral. P is not on the circle. What you are talking about is of cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means all 4 points should be on the circle. Here only A and B are on circle. O and P are not on the circle. On means boundary. So it's not a cyclic quadrilateral. So here now let's see. OB is a radius. PB is a tangent. What will be this angle?
90 degree.
90 degree.
Same here also.
90. Yes, ma'am.
Now if you look at this, PAO, is it a quadrilateral?
Yes, ma'am.
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 Yes, ma'am.
1, 2,
Ma'am,
3,
total
4.
sum is
Total sum is?
360.
350.
60 degree.
The sum of 2 is already 180, 90 and 90. So what will be the sum of these two?
180.
180. 180.
Right?
180.
Now 1 is 70. So what will be the measure of angle AOB?
110.
110.
110.
Right? So there is a question also. This is for MCQs, 1 marker you can do orally, that the sum of these two is 180. And the reason is because these two are perpendicular to tangent. So 90 each, and then applying angle sum property. There is a question also that says prove that the angle between the tangents and the angle made by the point of contact at center is supplementary. The angle between the tangents and angle made by the point of contact, that is A and B at the center, is supplementary. Supplementary, you know, na, the sum has to be 180. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes.
Now the next one. It is also a similar one only. Suppose we have a circle with center O, two tangents PA and PB, such that this angle is, let's say, 50 degree. We have to find the measure of this one.
Ma'am, the
Can we
total
do
sum will be 180.
In
Ma'am,
triangle,
40 degree.
Ma'am,
90 हो
40 degree. Angle A will be 90 degree.
yes.
And
And
the
then
40
angle
degree.
sum property will get
Question
angle
mark will be? Question mark will be how many
40 degree.
40
degree.
40.
Right? Good. Now, instead of this giving as 50, if I say this total angle P is 100 degree, then also can we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We know that
Angle
OP
1 equal to
bisects.
angle 2.
We know that OP bisects angle P. You remember we have done this theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
then
conclusion.
it will be half of 100. Half of 100 means
Done.
50 degree.
50 degree.
And like 50 and again the same question can be done. Clear, beta? The only
ma'am.
property
ma'am.
which you have to use time and again is that radius is perpendicular to tangent. This is tangent, this is radius, and they both are perpendicular. And then you have to see whether you are applying angle sum property or the property of angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Clear, beta? Yes,
ma'am.
So, ma'am, in
Yes,
triangle
ma'am.
APO, if we are given a total of, ma'am, in triangle APO, if a total 100 of degrees is given, so, ma'am, we'll just write OP by its P and we'll write 50 degree,
Yes,
or we'll write
yes,
something else also.
yes, yes, yes. Directly this. We have understood this as a result of theorem 2. As a result of theorem 2, we have understood this. है ना बेटा? So we have covered 3 questions. Easy?
Yes,
Easy?
ma'am. Yes,
Let us
ma'am.
take the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Let us take the next one. The next question is, you have a circle, a center O, any point P, exterior to circle. Now the distance of this point, listen to my language, the distance of this external point from the center, distance of this external point from the center is 25 centimeter. And the length of the tangents from point B. Length of tangent, you know? You will draw one tangent like this. Wherever it will intersect, let's say T. PT will be the length of tangent. Is 24 centimeter. Find the radius. This radius is OT. Can we do this, children?
We'll apply Pythagoras theorem.
Now, wait. When you are saying we will apply Pythagoras theorem is applicable in what kind of triangles?
Right triangle.
Right
Right
triangle.
triangles.
Ma'am,
Usually,
tangent
Well,
right
T
is angle
equals to
90
90.
degree with
Ma'am,
the
radius will be
T
perpendicular to
equals to
tangent.
90.
Yes.
So
So
that's why
first
we
we
can
have to
apply.
use this. First we have to use this result that radius is perpendicular to tangent. So this will be 90. After getting this 90, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So we will have radius square is 25 square minus 24 square. Ji beta? Now 25 square is
625.
625.
620.
4 square,
576.
576.
which is
49
7.
7.
so
centimeter.
radius is
7.
7 cent.
clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us take one last question and then we will do the writing part. Children, we discussed that there are infinite tangents that can be drawn to this circle. We discussed kiya tha? On each and every point, tangents can be drawn. But beta, how
Yes.
many tangents will be parallel to each other at a time?
Two tangent.
If I draw a
Ma'am,
tangent
two
here,
Two
To each
tangents.
other.
Ma'am,
what
two.
will be there? If I draw here, one more will be there. If I draw here, one will be there. So infinite tangents can be drawn, but pairwise only two will be parallel. ठीक है ना? तो अब ये क्या कह रहे हैं in the next that you are given a circle with center O and diameter AB. Diameter AB. This is an important question. Now they want us to show that if we draw tangents at the ends of the diameter, if we draw these two tangents, let's say XY PQ, then we have to show that XY is parallel to PQ. The question is prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter are parallel. Tangents drawn at
90 degree.
Ma'am, angle
We'll give 90
HAB
degree
equals to
angle.
angle QB.
To XY.
this is 90
HAB.
Yes, ma'am. And then,
radius is perpendicular to tangent.
yes, ma'am.
This
And
radius
then
is also perpendicular to this tangent.
Alternate
by
interior angles.
What are these angles?
alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles.
And
Can we also
alternate
do
XY
corresponding
parallel
angles?
to PQ.
yes. You corresponding angles beta nahi ho sakta. Aditya, corresponding angles are F-shaped angles. There is no F being made. But yes, you can use this. You can show this to be 90 instead of this one. And then these two co-interior angles. If the
Yes,
sum
ma'am.
is 180, then also lines are parallel.
Parallel.
So either you apply co-interior angles supplementary or you show that alternate interior angles are equal. So
Yes,
either
ma'am.
way you can show that the lines are parallel.
Parallel.
Clear? Now
Yes,
from
Yes, ma'am.
here one MCQ question comes. That radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. What will be the distance between its parallel tangents?
14.
14.
14.
Radius is 7. Yes, because keep
14.
in mind that parallel tangents will always be at the diametric end. Or the vice versa 1 mark question comes. If the distance between parallel tangents is 20 centimeter, what is the radius of the circle?
10 centimeters.
10 centimeter.
So you just have to
10
write
centimeter.
one line that distance between parallel tangents is equal to diameter. Just one line, nothing else. You don't have to prove anything. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Devanshu, please
Yes,
stop.
ma'am.